Hi everybody, and welcome back. This is just a little quickie here. I've had some seeds in the cupboard for a while and I'm just doing a germination test really. I mean, this here, it's from a 30-pound marrow I grew about 4 years ago, and as you can see it's actually started to sprout there. So there's good signs for that. I've got another one growing, and these are Kelsey onion seeds. You can see like the white parts where they're just starting to sprout, so I think they're viable as well. And I've got some peas here as well. We're just waiting for them to sprout. I mean, all they are is in an old bit of glass with a bit of tissue, nothing special, not in any heat, just on the windowsill, and they seem to be doing okay. So I reckon out of those three, the onions and the marrow and the peas, I think we should be good to go actually this year. And it's not even March yet. This is just a test to make sure they germinate okay. Okay, all the best. See you later.